As with all CNC machines, it's important to understand the graphic user interface, how the operator interacts with the machine, and how we bring programs to the machine. So for us on the HOMAG platform and with all HOMAG CNC machines, the PowerTouch interface is our claim to fame in the market. Very user-friendly, very graphic-based, right? And able to interface with our own software as well as many or most third-party softwares in the market. So I would say it's most common in today's nested base router market to be programming in your office with a CAD/CAM system and screen to machine or downloading programs from the office to the machine control. That could happen through an interface with an optimization system like HOMAG's CutRight. It could happen with a third-party CAD/CAM like HOMAG iX, Microvellum, Cabinet Vision, Mosaic, or any programs in that regard, right? They can all create our WoodWOP program, it's called an MPR for us, and download that right into the machine like you see here. That's a completed nested optimization coming to the machine from the office. Additionally, we carry an onboard programming system on the machine called WoodWOP that allows the machine to be commanded to do any of its functional operations right here on the shop floor. So let's say this program comes out of the office and we decide, shoot, that row of holes is in the wrong spot. We can call that program up in WoodWOP at the machine, make modifications, and run the corrected program here at the machine without having to kick that program back into the drafting office for repair. Additionally, with WoodWOP operating on the machine, you have the ability to quickly do on the shop floor what a third party, let's say it's a cabinet software, might not do really well. You could have complex geometries or maybe countertop work that your basic CAD/CAM might not do well that we can do here on the machine without having to require you to make an investment in a larger CAD/CAM system that's maybe more focused on something other than cabinetry. WoodWOP also brings to you flexibility for rework. So if we're running nested programs that are coming out of the office and a part gets damaged, let's say we're transferring it from the nested machine to the edge bander and we bump something or we drop it and break an edge, we can extract that program from the nested file in WoodWOP on the machine and rerun it here without having to save up our rework, bring it to the office at the end of the day and have those programs regenerated for us to run either at the end of the day or in the next morning. For more information about the CENTATEQ N-300 Pro Series machines or any of our additional automated woodworking solutions, please contact your Stiles Machinery sales representative or visit stilesmachinery.com.